you, Secretary Rollins, for your kind introduction. You're such a dear friend. And, of course, to Secretary Kennedy for the tremendous work you're doing on behalf of the Trump administration and MAHA. Long live MAHA. Thank you so much, Bobby. It's an honor to serve together, to serve the American people every single day in this administration. We're fighting every day to make America great and healthy again. We took office with very clear eyes and a sense of urgency. Healthcare was more expensive than ever. Americans were sicker than ever. For decades, politicians responded by doing the same thing over and over, but demanding more money to do it, spending more, subsidizing more, funding the same entrenched interests while outcomes got worse. That is why it's a new day. Under President Trump and under Secretary Kennedy's leadership, we are pursuing an all-of-the-above, America First, all-hands-on-deck approach to make our nation stronger and healthier. On day one, President Trump delivered on his promise to lower drug prices. He struck dozens of deals with pharmaceutical manufacturers that have already brought drug prices down in this country, and they're going to continue to fall. And then, through the Working Families Tax Cut, he expanded health savings accounts, which puts families, not bureaucrats, in control of your health care. He's ending a broken welfare system that hands health care dollars to illegal aliens and fraudsters that protect programs, instead to protect programs for those who need it and deserve it. President Trump has made historic commitments to innovation, including AI, which is going to improve diagnostics, reduce waste in the healthcare system, and deliver better health outcomes for all Americans. And with the leadership of Secretary Kennedy, our public health priorities are now focused on prevention and science, no longer politics, and delivering healthier, longer lives. So whether through revised vaccine schedules, better autism research, or much-needed new dietary guidelines, this administration is focusing on standing with Americans, not big pharma or with big food. The new food pyramid is common sense. It's science-based. It prioritizes whole, minimally processed foods, that's pretty common sense, and confronts the role that highly processed foods have in making our families, our children, and everyone sicker, not healthier. So at the SBA, we're excited to support the small businesses that help deliver on MAHA, to help consumers make healthier choices and more affordable. Small generational family farms like the one I grew up on make up roughly 97% of all farms in America. So I want to thank our farmers and ranchers because you are the best of America. These producers, along with America's small food producers, distributors, grocers, restaurants, are essential to delivering healthy choices for Americans. So when we align healthcare policy, when we align dietary guidance and economic policy, we're redefining wellness for the future of this country, and the SBA is ensuring that small businesses at every turn have a chance to support a healthier nation. So we're expanding access to capital, strengthening local food supply chains, removing regulations. That's a big part of the SBA's remit, is to support deregulation that prevents healthy food from getting into the hands of our families, and removing regulations that have favored big food for far too long. Because making America healthy again is not a single policy. It's a movement committed to accountability, transparency, data, facts, and freedom. And we're also confronting a system that profits from making America sick. At SBA, we're proud to empower the entrepreneurs, farmers, and small businesses who will make America healthy again. We're proud to invest in those who grow affordable, nutritious food for this country, and we're so proud to join Secretaries Kennedy and Rollins and President Trump in making our country healthy again.